something that I want to get last year. However, it's very difficult to get it at my size or even with just any availability since it's always unavailable. So I saw this at the store actually when I went the last time, and they don't have my size, so my client advisor ordered it for me online, and now it's here. So let's open this. So this is actually for fall, and I got it ahead before fall because thinking it might be out of stock again. So here it is, and it comes with this, 2 dust bags. I don't have the receipt because they emailed it to me, so this, and it is a pair of boots. So this is called Wonderland, and I really love the way it looked because, as you can see, it is substantial and well made. It has a weight on it. And this is removable. See? There. So it has a like a strap in here that you can loop the belt in, twist it to close. So you align it with a V and twist it. There you go. There's no zipper at the sides, which, you know, it's kind of hard to put your foot in and out. Like, you really have to, I think, to stretch all of these because it's kind of like structured. Let me remove all of these. Kind of, you have to open this all the way to put your foot in, and yeah, I don't know, it's just a pain to put your foot in, I think, but this is just pretty not to have it. So I guess I'll keep it. So this is actually my first. I have a front row Snickers new sandals, and it's all in monogram. I know it's kind of addicting, and now I'm having a problem because before I don't usually invest in shoes except for my Hermes orange sandals, but now I'm hooked to this monogram mania. So yeah, I really love this boots, and it will just take a while maybe for me to put it in my foot each time, but this is just so pretty to have it. So let me see, where's the code? Yeah, it's over here. So the codes are, it's kind of difficult to show, but it's in here. NL0128. So I'm size 38, and this is, I think, true to size for me because, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try it on and let you know next time. Okay? Well, yeah, I'm so happy with this. So I hope this is the last monogram shoes for me. But you can never get enough of it. Okay, bye!